Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Halifax, local and long-distance movers near me. Since locally owned Movers Company already knows each of the distinct features of the different geographic location, indulging their services will save you the cost and stress of visiting several web pages. MA long-distance movers aid your relocation to Halifax from other towns or counties nationwide. They are distinct from local movers in that they cover longer distances. Unlike their local movers' counterparts, these moving service providers efficiently provide seamless service regardless of the distance you intend to move. They also ensure that your properties are secured and not damaged through the long-distance relocation procedure, regardless of the size or the frailty of such items. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Halifax moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.